Hi, my name is Seema Chowdhury and thank you for purchasing this Udemy course about how to make your own cosmetics. In this course, I've broken it down into 3 sections. The first section will be how to make your own bath products. The second section is how to make your own body products. And the third section is how to make a couple baby products. In the first section, we will be making a bath salt, a bath fizzy, which is something you put in your bath and it fizzes and you release all the essential oils. And then we make a tub truffle. For those of you who live in really dry areas, this works beautifully. So it's like a bath fizzy, except you have cocoa butter in it. In the next section, we'll be teaching you how to make body products. We're starting with the sea salt scrub. You can use the sea salt that you used for your bath salt, or you can even use sugar in your creation. It all works really well. The next product will be a lip balm. What makes our lip balm different is that we use a vegan wax instead of a beeswax. So if you have vegan friends, it works out beautifully. And then our last product for that is the massage oil. The massage oil is edible. We use all edible oils. So if you have little ones that need the massage oil, it's perfectly safe for them. And then our last section is baby products. In the baby products, we are making a baby powder that's really nice and soft. And then after that, we make a baby bum spray, which is just a spray that we use for babies if you don't want to use the commercial wipes. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the course. I look forward to seeing your creations.